Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel. This is your November monthly career, business and money reading. This is a general reading, so not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. This reading is about what opportunities are you going to be presented with in November and what challenges or obstacles you could face so that you know you are ready to fight it out. So let's see Taurus, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so you can check those videos as well if messages do resonate. So let's see Taurus, what's there for you in November month. Hopefully we have some awesome stuff. So career, money, business situation for Taurus in the month of November. Career, business situation, money situation in the month of November. Spirits and guides, please have last shuffle Taurus. Career, money situation, business situation for Taurus in the month of November. Okay, so first card Taurus, 8 of Cups, the Star, 2 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, from 2 of Pentacles to 3 of Pentacles. So this is again, I'll take 9 of Swords, clarification wise, the Magician, wow, Ace of Wands, Page of Wands, 4 of Cups. So Taurus, this looks, overall it looks a positive month, more positive, except for one card that just showing that you might be leaving something here in November. So the first card is maybe in November itself you will leave a situation, a person, something that has not been working for you, something that has caused you losses, something that you felt stuck in, something that you were disappointed with. It could be a project, it could be a job, it could be a partnership, it could be an associate. So something, you're walking away from something here with 8 of Cups. It will resonate differently for all of you. So takes whatever situation, but that's not easy for you. It's leaving this situation could cause some kind of stress, anxiety, a little bit hurt, you are in pain. You could so this is for some of you here, so this is for some of you again. So it's not been easy leaving a certain situation, but you know that this is not going to work. You had to do this 8 of Cups thing. You had to do it. The earlier you did it, the quicker it will be. From 8 of Cups, you reach to 9 of Cups. Once you are walking in the dark, you will be reaching 9 of Cups, which is a wish fulfillment card. So, you had to do this so that you could reach from 8 of Cups to the 9 of Cups. So, sometimes rejection is a form of protection, they say. So, this is what it goes with that. So, something you rejected, you might be protected. So, you take it this way. Then we have the Star card. The Star is some wish. You have Star and Magician. So something you are wanted to manifest is coming true. You wanted to manifest. Maybe you wanted to manifest a job for yourself. It is coming to you. Some new opportunity, something that you have been wanting to manifest here with the Magician card is coming true. There is a wish fulfillment. That is what you have, an optimistic outlook. You had an optimistic outlook, yeah, and you are supercharged, your power of manifestation is really high. So this could be something, a wish fulfillment coming for you, an accomplishment coming to you for which you wanted to accomplish that. So it could be related to a money situation, monetary gain, your job, project, business, some new new idea that you wanted to work with. So power of manifestation is high Taurus. Use this opportunity well. It's divinely guided too, and it's divinely guided, and it's gonna get you growth, abundance, prosperity, happiness. That's it, and it will get you. Then there are it's a realization of a wish here. What I will say, realization of a wish. You are at, you will be at the right time, at the right place, Taurus, to manifest this. This is what I get. Then you have this 2 of Pentacles and Page of Wands below. So there is a decision, there are options. This is a card of options, this is a card of choices to make, that this is a decision to be made. It could be regarding a creative project, Taurus, something that you wanted to start in, or you will start in. You will take a decision to start. So if we take this identity, for some it might be a creative project, for some of you it might be 2 jobs, for some of you it might be to make a decision between a job and a business, or 2 ideas going in your mind, this or that, it's like that kind. So you will be weighing the options, you will be making a decision. Or this is also a card of balance. Maybe you will be balancing both, you will have a fine balance. That's what you will be weighing some and balancing yourself, both the options together. So differently for different, but yes, it calls, some of you will be making a decision regarding a project which you have been thinking for quite long. It could be an enterprise, it could be anything creative. You will start. You will be needing, again I will say, to maintain a optimistic and outlook here, positive outlook, balanced, optimistic, positive outlook. It will get you success. That is what you want, success, money. Then you have here this 3 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles is a card of enhancing your skills, working hard, not only for doing work but doing good work. So you will be getting, your services will be high in demand. People will reach, your services is like, you will be working as a team. Your product, your services will be high in demand, and you will be making great profits. That's what I get with this card here. You will be making great profits, gains. That is what I get here. Also, you might, some of you might be hired for a team, or you might be hiring someone for a team here. Some of you might also take up education, higher education, or maybe joining webinars, seminars to gain some knowledge regarding a project, a job, or some situation that you want to work in. So it could be like differently for different all of you here. So this is it. But working as a team, gaining knowledge, enhancing your skills here. You will be cooperative with your people. You will be cooperative with the people around you who will work, and they will be cooperative with you too. Here it's like 4 of Cups. What I feel that for some of you here, you will be lost in some thoughts. Like you could be missing out an opportunity. So what I feel that you need to you should avoid being lethargic or procrastinating things. Do not do that. You could miss out an opportunity. Sometimes in the whole, you're working hard, because Taurus, you have come a long way, working hard, grinding. You have done the grinding kind of work every day. So at times you could be a little lethargic or procrastinate things. So do not do that. You could lose your focus. There could be some losses. You could lose an opportunity. This is what I get here. Come out of this energy and beware. There is an opportunity around you. An opportunity could knock and you could miss it out if you were into this kind of attitude. So come out of that. I don't know if it's really, but it might be even for few of you here. Take this opportunity, Ace of Cups, that will be present to you. Otherwise you may lose it. That's what I get. You are confident, you have power, you feel you feel that inner power. You are confident, happy, you are happy, you have gains coming this month, and a wish fulfillment. That's what I get here. Money looks to be good, Taurus. You have here this Pentacle card, so 2 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles. So you will be getting money from business, from whatever services that you have been doing. You will be making good profit. 3 of Pentacles from project, from joint finances could also be, if you have done, it could get you profits. Something basically you have worked as a team and you share the profits. This is what. An insurance payout or something, a check, a demand draft could come. Maybe you have given more tax the last year, or government has deducted more money, so that might suddenly come to you, like it might be refunded. So that kind of money also for some of you here. Also, it this talks about you should balance your professional and personal life, spend time more with your family, friends, and it should not be like all work and no play. So you have to balance both. That is what is needed here. So this is it, Taurus, for this month. We will go in depth in the weeklies. That this is the overall energy, and it looks to be a great month, Taurus. So let me pull out an angel guidance card. Angel of miracles. So do believe in miracles. Now I actually do, and open your heart and expect a miracle. So if some of you are in any kind of a stuck situation, which I feel, just believe that miracles do happen, and it will happen in your case. So this is it, Taurus. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.